everyone, welcome back to another macrame tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a square knot wristlet. Here I have two pieces of macrame cord that I've cut to be 120 inches long, and I've attached them to a clasp using a lark's head knot. I've made the cords at the front 45 inches long, and then I've left the back cords longer. So I'm now going to attach my clasp to my board. I'm going to attach the centre cord to the bottom of my board to hold them firmly in place. To start making our wristlet, we're going to make our first square knot. So I'm going to take the cord from the left, place it over the cords in the centre, then take the cord from the right and pop that underneath the centre cord and pull that through, and then I'm just going to push that up a small amount, but I'm just going to leave about 2-inch gap at the top there. And then to complete my square knot, I'm going to put the cord from the right over the centre cords, take the cord from the left, push it under the centre cords through the loop that we've made and pull that tight, and that is going to complete our first square knot. Now we're going to do that again. So take the cord from the left, put it over the centre cord, take the cord from the right, push it under the centre cords and pull it through the loop we've made. And then to finish that square knot, we're going to take the cord from the right, pop that over the centre cord, take the cord from the left, push it under and through the loop, and then pull that one tight as well, like so. Then now I'm just going to make a whole line of square knots until I've used up the majority of my outer cords. Once you're happy with the length of your wristlet, we can remove it from our macrame board. There we can see now we've got a nice length of square knots. Now to form the wristlet, we're going to fold it in half and we're going to push the cords through the clasp at the top and make sure that we line up the ends of the square knots, and we want all our cords to lay flat. We're going to secure that now using a gathering knot. So we're just going to take another piece of macrame cord and then place the cord on the top and make a loop in the bottom. Then once everything's lined up, going to start to wrap the cord around to secure it all into place. Then when we reach the top of the square knots, then we are going to push the cord through the loop that we've made, and then we are going to pull the cord that's at the top and the cord that's at the bottom, and that's going to secure our gathering knot. Then now all that's left to do is trim off the edges, and then now we can also trim off the long pieces of macrame cord that were left, as we no longer need those either. And there you have your completed macrame square knot wristlet. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon.